Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. This week I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. I got quite a few requests on this one. There are different kinds of dark circles. If you have a blue dark circle, it's from a lack of good circulation. The skin under the eye is very thin and delicate. If you don't have a good circulation, it can easily show the stagnation. In this case, warm up the eye area with a steam towel as long as it's okay with your eye conditions you may have, and get the circulation going. You may be lacking sleep too, so just cover your eyes with dry warm towel or eye pillow and rest. If you have a neck and shoulder heating pad, it's even better. If you have a brown dark circle, it could be from increased melanin from rubbing your eyes too much or too much sun exposure. Or it could be from leftover makeup or from dryness. Find an eye serum, eye cream, and eye mask that work for you to moisturize and lighten up the tone. If you have a black dark circle, it's from the shadow of the sagging eye bag. The circular eye muscles called orbicularis oculi open and close the eyelids. When these muscles weaken, they can cause the sagging eye bag under the eye as well as wrinkles in the forehead. Here are 3 exercises you can do to strengthen and tighten these circular eye muscles to reduce the eye bag. Since these are muscle toning exercises, you will not see the results overnight. I would give it at least 4 to 6 weeks. Number 1. Close and open your eyes hard. Close your eyes hard for 5 seconds. Then open your eyes wide for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. The key is not to use your forehead to open your eyes wide. Put your hands on your forehead so you can tell if you're using the forehead muscles. Just use your eyelids. If you are afraid that this will create more wrinkles around the eyes, don't do it. 2. Squint. Lightly hold under the eyes with your fingers on the lower eye socket. Squint your eyes by raising the bottom eyelids for 5 seconds. Do not pull down and stretch the skin. The key is not to raise the cheek muscles to raise the bottom eyelids. Repeat 10 times. If you are afraid that this will create crow's feet, also lightly hold the sides of your eyes, or don't do it. 3. Blink fast in 4 directions. Look to your left and blink fast 5 times. Look to your right and blink fast 5 times. Look up and blink fast 5 times. Then look down and blink fast 5 times. When you look, just move your eyeballs, not your head. Repeat 10 times. I thought I already did a video on how to reduce puffiness around the eyes, which can cause temporary shadow under the eyes. But I guess I haven't, so I will do that some other time. But the anti-aging facelift massage that I've done does cover lymph drainage around the eyes, so that should help for now. I'll put the link here and here. Finally, if you have purple dark circle, someone must have punched you in the eye. So ice it, and I would avoid the person who punched you or the situation that got you the purple eye. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.